Just a quick video, how did I manage to track my belt. So I had a problem. I fitted a new belt and the belt was going towards the motor all the time. I couldn't get it on track. So what I done, it took me about I'll say easy 4 hours. It took me 4 hours to do this, and because it was always going towards this side, I had this side tight, but I had this side loose. So, but it's still going towards that way anyway. So I keep tightening the screw over here. But when I do that, I need to push the belt towards this side again. And I've done that process probably over 20 times. But anyway, now it's very tight on this side. And it's tight on this side as well, and it seems to be tracked. You know, it seems not to move. It actually is loose. Loose on this side, and I run the machine. So now what's going to happen is the belt is going to drift towards this side. So now the belt is coming towards here, which this side is loose, and probably will start to touch inside the stop there. What I'm going to do, I need to tidy up this side just a small amount, because I've been stretching this side for over 4 hours, but you know, you don't want to stretch it too much. Just stretch it to make sure it's tight. And anyway, it's coming towards this end now, and what I'm going to do now is stretch this side again just to make sure it's just about right. Like that. Yeah, done. So it's nice and flat. But anyway, this is not a 5-minute job. It took over 4 hours. So I managed to track it now, but it's quite a pain, and it takes forever.